Hey, welcome back. You are in the right place for real talk and tips on school, life, and finding your path forward. Hey seniors, thinking about college can be a lot, but don't stress. Today, I'm sharing with you a senior year college planning checklist, broken down into simple steps so that you know what to do and when to do it. Let's make this college thing way less stressful. Let's go. First, finalize your college list. By now, you probably have a few schools in mind. If not, start researching. Make sure your list includes a mix of reach schools, ones that are hard to get into, match schools, the ones that are a good fit and you're likely to get into, and safety schools, the ones you're almost guaranteed to get into and can afford. Use websites like College Board's Big Future or Niche, or talk to your school counselor to explore your options. Second, know your deadlines. Every college has different deadlines. For the colleges you're interested in, look up those deadlines and write them down. Make sure you put them in a place that you'll actually see them. There are usually three main types. The first is early action. You get to apply earlier than most students, usually around November 1st through 15th, and you get your admissions decision early, usually around December or January. What's great about early action is that you find out sooner. You still have until May 1st to make your final decision. You can apply to multiple schools early action, and most importantly, you're not committed if you're accepted. The second is early decision. This is binding. You apply early, again, usually around November 1st through the 15th, and you make a commitment to this school. If you are accepted, you must attend. The advantages to early decision is that it shows the college that you are 100% committed and may help your chances at competitive schools. Just remember, with early decision, you can only apply to one school using early decision. If accepted, you must withdraw all other applications. So use this only if this is your number one school and you've done your research, including financial aid. The third is regular decision. This is the most common route. You apply by a later deadline, usually January 1st through the 15th, and you hear back in March or April. The advantages with regular decision is that you have more time to improve grades or test scores, you have more time to compare colleges or financial aid offers, and you have no commitment. You decide by May 1st. Some less common deadlines are major-specific deadlines. These are usually for majors like art or music, maybe engineering. It's usually very competitive to get in, and it usually has an earlier deadline. Some colleges offer rolling admission. This means that they don't have a hard deadline, while some may have priority deadlines. Think community colleges that often accept students until the class is filled. Don't miss these deadlines. They're a big deal. Third, work on your college applications. Many colleges use the Common App, where you can work on your college applications all in one place. However, not all colleges use the Common App, so check out your colleges to see where you need to apply. Make sure that you start early and you take your time. You'll need personal info, high school transcripts, activities list, one or more essays, letters of recommendation, and anything else your college requires. Application tips. For your college essay, make sure you have a trusted adult or say an English teacher proofread it for you. Also, when submitting your college application, never wait till the last minute. You never know what kind of technical issues could arise. Don't do that to yourself. Fourth, ask for letters of recommendation. You will usually need 1 to 2 letters of recommendation. Ask early, like weeks in advance early. Pick people who really know you and can speak to your strengths. Think of teachers, coaches, club advisors, or your school counselor. Make sure to hand them your brag sheet or resume with timelines. This will be a huge help for them to write you an amazing recommendation letter. And of course, make sure you say thank you. Fifth, fill out the FAFSA. This is the free application for federal student aid, and it opens October 1st. Even if you think you won't qualify, fill it out. This is required by many colleges, scholarships, and grants. Also, look out for the College Scholarship Service Profile, or the CSS profile, if your school requires it. The CSS profile helps the college figure out if you qualify for extra financial aid from the school itself, not just from the government like the FAFSA. 6. Apply for scholarships. Scholarships equal free money. Start applying now and apply throughout the year. Search local scholarships through your school or local community. Also, use websites like scholarships.com, Going Merry, or Raise Me. Apply even if you don't think you'll get it. You might be surprised. 7. Visit campuses or take virtual tours. If you can, visit the college campuses you're serious about. If you can't get there in person, take a virtual tour on their website or even on YouTube. This will give you a feel for the vibe, the campus, and whether it's the right fit for you. 8. Stay in touch and check your email. Once you apply, colleges may reach out with updates, missing documents, or interviews. Make sure that you are checking your email regularly and respond on time. If you're someone that gets a lot of junk email that you have to sift through, consider creating a separate email just for college stuff. Just make sure you're checking it often. If you feel overwhelmed or need help, make sure you reach out to a school counselor, teacher, or a trusted mentor. College planning in senior year doesn't have to be total chaos. Break it into steps, ask for help, and just keep moving. You don't have to be perfect, you just need to keep going. You've got this. Want more helpful content like this? Hit the like and subscribe for more tips on school, life, and what comes next. School tests us, life challenges us, but the future is yours to mold. Let's shape it together.